Hey guys, Nathan over at Southern Motors. I know you're used to hearing my dad talking, but he's recovering from surgery. So I'm gonna do my best to do a couple little short videos of some stuff we have coming in until he's back. So go easy on me in the comments. This is the first time I've done something like this. Just wanna show you guys this 69 RS Camaro we just got in. Black car with red interior, bucket seats, Muncie 4-speed, 396 big block, front wheel wood disc brakes. Sorry if the color is drowning out a little bit. That window doesn't really help us out. RS front, super slick car. We just put on the 18-inch Resto Vintage Laguna wheels. They just came in today, so there's no miles on them. I think the guy was telling us he just spent $110,000 building this thing. Super nice car. Chambered dual exhaust. Fire it up so you guys can hear it. Retro Sounds radio. I am going to have that rear spoiler painted to match the body color of the car. They left it a flat black, but I think it'll look better, you know, finished the same way the car is done. I just wanted to hop on here, show you guys some stuff we have coming in. If you have any questions or want more photos or videos of the car, give me a call at 248-620-3355. I'm here. You guys have a great day.